Hello beautiful people! Today we're gonna create 10 heatless back to school hairstyles because September is right around the corner. But first let's make a little unboxing here because my hair is not that thick and long. Today's video is sponsored by Mhot Hair. So here we have a beautiful white box and you open it up and you find inside a little strip to test your hair before opening big package. This is one clip weft which you can use to test your hair color and if you like the texture of the hair. So also I have here a scrunchie to dry your hair, which I'm using now and I like it. And of course I did open the big package because I like the hair. So here we have platinum blonde balayage, luxurious seamless clip-ins, 22 inches. And of course guys, I have a discount code for you, which is Zina. This is remy hair, silk soft, no tangle, seamless band, easy to blend and no shading guys. Mhot Seamless Hair Extensions has silicone base which is smaller on the outside, which make the extensions more invisible and lightweight. It's not only thinner than traditional wefts, it's much thinner than other seamless hair extensions, which makes them so lightweight and so comfortable. The flexible band lay flat against your head, no bump, no stick out, blends well with your own hair naturally, which I really appreciate so much because I don't like anybody to see my extensions. I used all this set. So I'm beginning applying my hair extensions. I'm beginning from the back of my head and I'm using both of 3 clips wefts. On upper crown section I'm using both of 4 clips wefts, and then on the sides I'm using on both sides I'm using 2 clips wefts. As for my upper wefts, I usually tease a little bit the root to make sure everything is nicely covered, and also by 2 on each side 1 clip wefts. These are single clip wefts, are so useful when braiding guys. I'll leave my discount code and all information about Mhot Hair in the description box, and now you can clearly see what a big difference we have now. I'm right? So let's start now our heatless back to school hairstyles, and we'll begin with our braided headband hairstyle. We'll grab a small section of hair from underneath, incorporating our hair extensions as well. This way we are making sure our braid will reach our opposite side of our head. So we'll grab it and we want to make a simple 3-strand braid till reaching our opposite side of our head. We want to grab a small section from underneath and tie it with our braid with a clear elastic. Also, I like to grab a bobby pin and pin it at the base of the braid so it will stay upwards like I wanted. You can take a smaller or a thicker section of hair, it depends of your preference. You can leave it as it is or you can add another braid from opposite side like I did. Make sure to pin it well in place so it will not unravel. And you're done. No hair into your face, which is so comfortable for school, right? For the next one, we want to gather our top section like I'm showing and we want to tie it. We want to clip it away for later. We want to begin a ponytail with hair left, but the last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through like I'm showing, and then bring your first ponytail through the loop. Tighten it from underneath, pin it in place, and our ponytail is ready. For our next hairstyle, we want to gather our hair and we want to use a scrunchie. So we want to grab our hair, bring it up, and creating a loop, you want to tie it. Then hold it with your hand and then bring the rest down like I'm showing. Now you want to hold it and wrap remaining hair around the base like that, and then tie remaining scrunchie over it. Pull your created bun and then pin it from the sides to create this voluminous and gorgeous bun. For next, we want to select a section of hair from one side of our parting, leave some hair out, make sure everything is nice and smooth. You want to tie a clear elastic like I'm showing, and then you want to repeat on other side. Now you want to gather these two ponytails together in the back, like so, and you want to tie it with another clear elastic. Bring your hair upwards, creating an upwards Topsy tail. Tighten it well. For the next one, we want to gather our hair into a low ponytail, and last time make sure to pull a hair halfway through, grab the ends, twist them, and then bring it up to cover a little bit your scrunchie or your elastic. Twist it like creating a French twist, and using a claw clip you want to fix it in place. Next one, we want to gather our crown section, tie it, make an opening and bring the ponytail through it. So you want to gather now your side section, tie it, make an opening and bring the ponytail through it. And now you want to repeat the step on other side. Then grabbing your side Topsy tail, you want to twist it and bring middle one through it, like so. Then with your opposite Topsy tail, you want to twist it and bring all this hair through it, tighten it from underneath, and your ponytail is ready. For our next updo, we want to select our side sections, and with the rest, we want to make a ponytail, but on last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through. Then grabbing the ends, you want to wrap them around the base and tighten into the elastic underneath. Now you want to grab your side sections, twist them away from your face, bring them back. Then you want to tie them and bring them down under your updo. Twist them and tuck it into the elastic like I'm showing. Then grabbing a grip, you want to fix our knot in place. For the next one, we want to select our top crown section like I'm showing. Then you want to bring your hair up, creating a loop, and then you want to tie your scrunchie over. Then bring the rest down, hold it with your hand. You want to tie the rest of your elastic over, pull it, and you're done. The next, we want to tie a low ponytail using an elastic or a small scrunchie. We want to make an opening and bring all this ponytail inside of our created pocket. Fix it with your hand, and with another one you want to tie a big scrunchie over it. Pull your scrunchie to make it voluminous and beautiful, and your updo is ready. For the next super easy braid, you want to tie a side ponytail, make an opening, bring the ponytail through it, tighten a bit, bring a little lower your elastic, pull your fingers a little lower, and make another Topsy tail like I'm showing. So you want to keep repeating until you're happy with your result. I'll tie it one more time so it will not unravel. You can pull it and you're done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's back to school hairstyles. If you do, don't forget about like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my info bar for beautiful Mhot hair extensions. But that's it for today, and you know I love you so much, and I wish you a beautiful school season. Mwah! Bye!